guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another full day of eating what I eat in a day that is oriented toward including a lot of protein in my daily nutrition and diet. Today it's a very gloomy day, but we are going to pack for my family vacation that is just around the corner, and I'm so excited because even though it's really gloomy, I feel like I'm in a very happy mood because I know that we are going in the sun in a few days. But I also wanted to share all of the meals that I eat that are high in protein. If you are struggling with including a lot of protein in your diet, aim for a certain number every single meal that you have. So say that I have 130 grams of protein. I try to split it up in the numbers of meals that I know that I'm going to have for the day, so that I don't end up at the end of the day with like 60 grams of protein to take, which is kind of impossible. So yeah, that would be my advice for you guys. I just wanted to say hi, a good morning. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe because I post new video every single week. We are going to start the day. I'm very happy to be spending the day with you. So I hope you enjoy. We haven't done this in a while, so the gym fit of the day is this Lululemon long top with Lululemon black lines. You know, as basic as it gets. Woo! It's my lunch break. We are going to go and do a good quick leg workout today. I wanted to also mention that people often feel like they have to be in the gym for hours on to see results. I personally just do 30 to 40 minutes max 4 times a week with one yoga workout. Yesterday my workout was a yoga workout and my numbers on my Oura ring are amazing every time that I do a yoga workout. So yeah, let me show you my numbers. 94 as a readiness score and 93 as a sleep score. Resilience to stress has increased so much just from this one day of doing yoga, and I haven't changed anything else yesterday. I truly believe that it makes a huge difference. So if you are on the fence of trying out yoga, I have a few yoga workouts that you can do that are super quick, super short, beginner friendly on my YouTube channel. I just have an hour to work out, to eat, and I want to show you guys what I have for lunch as well. So we are going to go and check. Now time for lunch. The sun is looking like it's peeking from the cloud. Makes me so happy. Speaking of lunch, I always aim to do something very easy, very quick, just because I love to enjoy the outdoors on my lunch break, and I also work out, as you know, most of the days. Today I'm literally just gonna have the same thing that I had yesterday for dinner, which is sirloin burgers, and I am going to go and read outside as well. Like I said, it's getting sunnier by the minute, so that's pretty exciting because it wasn't supposed to be sunny at all today. That's a win. Let's go make our burgers and read a little bit outside for the remaining of my lunch break. So it's finally nice outside. The sun is out. I love the way the wind blows in my house. But yeah, it's really sunny outside, which is so exciting. And we are going to go ahead and make some Creami. So I have been craving this every single afternoon lately. Let's go ahead and show you what I do. The day literally got away from me, so I literally just threw all of the bikinis and summer dress in my suitcase, and I'm going to do this in a more proper way later this week. At least my suitcase is out and I have my bikinis in it. It's so exciting because it's just around the corner. Let's go ahead, let's prep dinner before my family gets here and things gets hectic.